sides to a coin, and one must choose which side they join, you know, brother man. Yeah, and meanwhile one man need is another man poison. Mankind will do what they must to survive, innit? Hear me now. In a gunman world, any night in clock he not work. Marrow splatter the toolbox full, the magazine in the 2 block full. And he's watching as the days go by, and he's counting as his peers all die. Sleeping with the rifle across his chest, and so he never gets a good night's rest. And then he's cranky in the morning times, and more victims have to lose their lives. The community a twist and twirl, wishing that there wasn't in a gunman world. In a gunman life, he might not come home from work one night, so every minute matter ignores advice from his weeping baby mother and child, that he won't win every game he plays. So she know he'll meet his end one day. Some juvenile will have to earn his stripe and have to take another gunman's life. What if a backstabber names his price? And how ironic if him dead from night. The amount of bullet where him put from boy, job description, kill and destroy. Oh yeah, oh. Now tell me, is it worth it all? If one done rise, then the next must fall. Tell me, is it worth it all? Those sleepless nights and patrol roll call. Tell me, is it worth it all? One child smile while the next one ball. Tell me, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it all? Well, in a gunman world, life is so stressful. Back to school time come, cause when a gunman work, if he is successful and the job is well done, then there will be an unsolved crime, with no one to fill out a blank line. John Public a fi here and there, informer get a coof cough quick. Does he get nervous just like you and I? Watching out if the police pass by, cause any day you hear a gunman fail, then he's either dead or jail. What will it cost to make a gunman rich? How many lives before a gunman switch? The truth no wonder you them stop ignore. Said the majority a gunman poor. Oh yeah, oh. Now tell me, is it worth it all? If one done rise, then the next one fall. Tell me, is it?
Say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I and I start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Aye. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You know fi ask is who at the general issue in a warning. The people them a ball, say them tired of mediocre. Evil a go fall when we tried in Ethiopia. Believing from down, cause them life not easy boat. Even Bantan say it's not an easy road. Operation occupy the motherland, calling all soldiers to kind each other along. From creation, he writing a job plan, but CHRONIXX can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting soldiers coming from near and far by choose, executing Selassie works and the Rastafari troops. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I'm gonna start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Hey. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You know for ask is who at the general issue in a warning boy, waving the banner red, green and gold. It is such a honor prophecies unfold, discovered on stones, on trees and scrolls, and even in the stories that Jesus told. Oh, Rasta youth must inherit the earth. Can't sit down, that I send me for work. Bring the fire in a round, that I send me for purge. But I can't do it alone. Rasta recruiting soldiers coming from near and far, I choose, executing Selassie works and the Rastafari troops. Here comes
Reverend. I hold the king closest to my heart. The words I sing must honor him with reverence. My life must be set apart with love and understanding. Had it not been for his majesty, some people dead. He's Given I instructions that the old and infants keep the weak ones fed. This must be the mission when the times get dread. Peace and joy from humble service of life instead. Just said, tread not on the path of the wicked. Do not even eat off their tables or bank on their illusions, but instead walk in the light. For truth cannot be overcome by might. So I make selfishness irrelevant with reverence. I hold the King closest to my heart. The words I sing must honor him with reverence. My life must be set apart with love and understanding, patient with each other and patient with myself. Just knowing I am growing, must keep her confident. I must discipline the ego so I can never be a slave. Then cultivate I spirit to free I from the grave. Just said, the wicked are gonna perish cause they know not love. They've created of life a punishment. I plant, I seed, consciously in each moment. When time is spent in reverence, I hold the King closest to my heart. The word.
Yeah. Some people you're right, and them still choose to show you hate. Yeah. Run them out of your yard. From them I play bad girl, I hate them a backbiters. Hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, the spreaders of rumors. Oh, them a backbiters. Hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, spreaders of rumors. Hey, hey, so why should I be afraid of you when you bleed just like I do? The more you try fight, judge a light keeps shining through. So I've got no time for you, cause in my view you wanna step in on my shoe. You wish you never leave alone and feel so damn confused. How every day you wake you ache because you know you're fake, and every step you take I bring you closer to your grave. But I am like a column when I easily shake. Me certain say I'm feeling on a who can't take. We guided by the monster, defender of the faith. Yes, ordained to be great. Oh, them a backbiters. Hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, the spreaders of rumors. Oh, them a backbiters. Hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, spreaders of rumors. But your teeth and tongue gonna let you down. Reward for your words shall be profound. How screw all you want but go loo and drown. You slew you like Goliath with a stone from a crown. Not even the dog that beset on the wall of Babylon shall escape in this time. So word to the wise, choose the right side, and down to be hindered by your foolish pride. I said no weapon formed against I and I shall prosper, prosper. So tell me so force ripe and more got dog disrespect and face disaster. Call them a backbiters, hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, spreaders of rumors. Call them a backbiters, hypocritical, two-sideless. We call them modern day Judas, spreaders of rumors. But I'm on the
so great is him, I know how great is the King of all kings, yes. Whoa. So great is him, I know great is the King of all kings, yes. Whoa.
Give her up life, for black, for white, for red, green and gold. Ethiopia stands bold, while Marcus I prophecy is unfold. Yes, never you wait, for the time is now. Can't wait till judgment come. Tomorrow never forward. Tomorrow never forward. No, 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 no. In my father's house there are many mansions, and if it wasn't so, then I wouldn't say so. No, 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 no. Yes, the Father is the King of all kings, who lives and reigns forevermore. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings, yes. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings. As I rise, give thanks to the sun. And oh, if it's raining, I say, Jah, well done. Oh, feeling such sweet aroma, approaching my veranda. Yes, say life is so great to me now. I still line up, worrying our fruit, and I no need no bulletproof verse. I yes, the most I is our strength and fortress. Give thanks nevertheless, no, no. In my father's house there are many mansions, and if it wasn't so, then I wouldn't say so. No, 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 no. Safari is the King of all kings, who lives and reigns forevermore. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings, yeah.
Stepping out on your own, got a heart made of stone. Such a cold, cold girl. Hey, and what will my story be? Is there a future for me inside your cold, cold world? Hey, well I heard but I could not believe it. You were out all night on the town. I would call your phone, home alone, and you were nowhere around. I would wait like a child on his birthday. All of my waiting was in vain. Broke my heart, baby, the day you're gone, left me. And if you never needed my love, why didn't you say so? Oh, hey. And if you wanted someone to play with, why didn't you let me know? Instead of walking out the door, and now you're stepping out on your own. Got a heart made of stone. Such a cold, cold girl. Whoa, and what will my story be? And is there a future for me inside your cold, cold world? If I had only listened, wouldn't lose focus on my mission. You weren't gold, but you would glisten. Gave you my all, and now you're dissing. Now I'm wishing I never met you, and wondering how could I have let you get the best of me. Now I regret you, and even though I try, I can't forget you. Oh, if all you wanted was someone to play with, why didn't you say so? And if you never needed my love, why didn't you let me know? Instead of walking out the door, stepping out on your own. You've got a heart made of stone. You're such a cold, cold girl. And what could you have been through to make you do the things you do inside your cold?